Wrestling has always been a sport that challenges physical strength, strategy, and mental toughness. Today, I want to dive into the dynamics of a girl versus boy wrestling match, a topic that sparks a lot of debate and interest. First off, let's talk about the physical aspects. Generally, boys tend to have more muscle mass and upper body strength, which can give them an advantage in traditional wrestling. However, girls often bring agility, flexibility, and technique to the mat. These attributes can level the playing field significantly. It's not just about brute strength, it's about how you use your body and your skills. In many cases, girls have been trained in wrestling techniques just as rigorously as boys. They learn to leverage their opponent's weight against them, using moves like the hip toss or the single leg takedown. The key here is technique over strength. A well-executed move can turn the tide of a match, regardless of the wrestler's gender. Now, let's consider the mental game. Wrestling is as much about strategy as it is about physical prowess. A wrestler needs to anticipate their opponent's moves, stay calm under pressure, and adapt quickly. This mental agility can often be more critical than physical strength. In a girl versus boy match, the psychological aspect can be fascinating. Girls may face stereotypes or biases, which can add an extra layer of pressure. Overcoming these challenges can lead to a powerful performance. Another important factor is the growing acceptance and support for female wrestlers. As more girls enter the sport, they are breaking barriers and proving that they can compete at the highest levels. High school and collegiate wrestling programs are increasingly recognizing the talent and dedication of female athletes. This shift is crucial for the future of the sport, promoting inclusivity and encouraging young girls to pursue wrestling without hesitation. In a match, the energy can be electric. The crowd's reactions, the tension on the mat, and the determination in each wrestler's eyes create an atmosphere that's hard to replicate. When a girl faces off against a boy, it's not just a contest of strength, it's a showcase of skill, resilience, and the spirit of competition. Ultimately, whether it's a girl versus a boy or two athletes of the same gender, wrestling is about respect and sportsmanship. Each match is an opportunity to learn and grow, regardless of the outcome. The beauty of wrestling lies in its ability to challenge norms and push boundaries, proving that anyone can excel in the sport with hard work and dedication. So, the next time you watch a wrestling match, remember that it's not just about who wins or loses. It's about the journey, the effort, and the passion that each athlete brings to the mat.